So how are you doing, sir?
Fine, as always.
Fantastic, sir.
So, how are you all?
Good, sir. Doing good, sir.
Anandapur or different places now?
Actually, I have come to Anantapur, sir. Actually, I stay in Hyderabad only, but currently I'm in Grandma's village.
Where is your grandma's village?
It's near, it's in Anantapur district, sir. It's a remote village called Agraharam, sir.
Agraharam is house, yeah?
Sir?
Agraharam means house.
Yeah, sir. Actually, it's Agraharas are the villages given to the Brahmins, actually,
Yeah.
by the late kings. So,
Array of houses is called Agraharam.
okay, sir. So
Priyanka.
I am there, sir. Currently, I have just come for a
I'm
vacation,
seeing-
like for 10 days vacation.
Priyanka, Samira. Nice.
Sir, Samana, sir.
Samana.
You forgot me, sir.
Name is seen as Priyanka Samana. Yeah, Samana.
Yes, yes.
Samana
Hope you
has
remember me.
no change as no change for after 10 years also, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
See the change in Charan.
Yes, sir. I grown little old.
He became an old man.
Yes.
Samana is still young. You have gone to school age or what? From college you have gone to high school now.
No, sir.
Hello, sir. How are you? Evening. Priyanka here.
Always good.
How's madam?
Fine. Enjoy.
Your sons. Hope your sons.
All are good. Who is the other one? Only fan is seen. Sai Soumya.
You're in Kerala, sir.
I am in Hyderabad.
Okay. Malkajgiri, same.
I am not in Malkajgiri now. I shifted to Sikulej.
Okay. Okay.
That is next door to my wife's office. Malkajgiri house is there as it is.
I remember.
Yeah, you
way
attended-
back in 2012. Yeah.
You attended a few sessions.
Anusha, yes, sir. Civil services. Friends have it. Friends have it.
Muhammad Imran.
Good evening, sir.
Namaste. Your video is not seen. Nikesh also switched off video, I think.
Sir, yes, sir. Actually, here we have a weak network, so I thought live video will get disturbed. So that's why I have switched off the video, sir.
But still you can show once your face.
Yeah, sir. Definitely, sir. Why not?
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Fine, Soumya.
How is madam?
Fine, good.
Hello, sir.
Nikesh, no problem. You are as young as you
Sir.
are.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
2011. The other day,
Yes, sir.
the whole
Sir.
discussion of meeting came because I was sharing Charan when I came to your college. It's exactly 2011 October 21st.
Oh, good.
So I was sharing that video from my YouTube to Charan. Samana was also same college, no? Who is this?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Who is this?
Shagufta.
Where is my dinner?
Sir?
We had a grand dinner, no?
Yeah. How are you, sir?
Good.
Nice to see you after a long time, sir.
Yeah, after dinner I came to railway station. You said tata bye bye. You should know what happened to this man after that.
Sorry.
Correct, Charan?
No comment, sir.
Yeah?
How are you, sir?
Good. What are you doing now? You should give your updates.
Sir, business, sir. I have boutique, sir.
Eh?
Boutique, sir.
What is boutique?
Designer cloth store, sir.
Where is your BTech after that?
Sir?
Where are you using your BTech knowledge?
I didn't get you, sir. Sorry. Pardon, sir.
Where are you using your knowledge? What you learned?
No, others please say unmute so that.
Nowhere in my business, sir.
So you got married?
Sir?
You got married?
I didn't get you, sir. Your voice is not audible.
You got married, sir.
Yes, sir. I got married 4 years back, sir.
So 5 children or 4 children?
No, sir. Not it, sir.
So Charan is senior in all this.
Sir, not audible, sir.
Charan also got married 3 years.
Mute the call. Soumya, mute the call.
Everybody muted. Yeah, tell me, Charan, what are you doing now?
Sir, currently I'm working as a content writer in a software company, sir. So they write blogs and basically digital marketing, sir. Completely digital marketing. Sir.
Okay.
So writing is the prime focus here.
You were with the press sometime, right?
Yes, sir. I was with Sakshi, sir.
Okay.
For 1 year I worked there, sir. So later we moved on to this.
So what are the other activities? Any part-time passion?
Nothing, sir. If someone asks me like to write, writing and all, like on any issues or any culture-related issues or national, some inspirational stuff, if someone asks me, I'm writing, sir. And I have my blog, so I thought like whenever I feel to write, I put over there. And,
Your area is not affected by flood?
No, sir.
Where
No,
are you
sir.
staying?
This area in Manikonda, sir. So this place is safe, sir.
Okay.
No floods and all. So I I'm doing writing, and recently only I started like a sort of a YouTube channel sort of things, like to interact with few people or to upload some good interactions and all. Like actually after when you did the event on the agriculture, sir, recently.
Agriculture, yeah.
Yeah. So I thought like instead of when you don't have anything to speak, it's good that you interact with people and learn from them. So that's how I started a YouTube channel and interviewed 3 people, sir. Actually,
Okay.
I thought that's a good way to learn instead of staying calm.
Venkatram Reddy. What are you doing, Priyanka?
Sir, I've recently completed my MTech in VLSI Engineering, System Design.
Where?
Before that, I've worked in New Indian Express as a coordinator and all. And also in the university as assistant manager, systems, computers.
Okay.
7 months back, I got married. That's the latest thing.
Good. So, life is cool.
Yeah, it's cool, sir. Good.
What is your husband doing?
Husband is also software engineer, sir.
Where are you now? In Hyderabad or?
Right now in mother's place, Anantapur. But settled in Hyderabad
Where?
after marriage. Chaitanya Puri, sir.
Chaitanyapuri, yeah.
Dilshuk Nagar.
Samana, what do you do?
Sir, I worked for IBM for 4 years. Then I took a break because of maternity, and yeah, I'm on a break right now.
Where are you?
I'm in Chennai, sir.
Chennai, okay.
Yes.
So last 5 years you are in Chennai.
No, sir. I worked for 2 years in Bangalore IBM. Then I shifted to Chennai. I got married and I shifted to Chennai.
Chennai
And I worked there
IBM
for
is
2
outskirt of city, not in the center, no?
No.
Is
It's
it?
in Porur, sir.
Where?
It's inside the city. It's Porur.
Okay.
DLF.
Not in that park, software park.
It's in DLF IT park. So, and then after my daughter's birth, I had to quit due to personal issues. So I'm currently on a break. I plan to resume my work once she gets back to school.
So how old is your daughter now?
She's currently 3. She just turned 3.
3 years.
Yeah.
Good.
She's a handful.
Yeah,
See,
full of activities, job.
Yeah, it's a tough job. 24/7 mom, it's a very tough job. And she's very handful. I mean, she, like,
Activities.
she always keeps me on my toes. Yeah.
Good.
Even now, I have closed the door and I have,
No, you could open.
completely.
It's very casual, right?
She'll come and she wants to
She
speak
won't
and-
let her.
Yeah, good, no?
Yeah, she won't let me speak.
We will also see, no?
I'll call her.
Where is Shakhu? What?
Sir?
How about your
Sir,
family whole? Everybody is there together?
sir?
Everybody together like last time when we came, we met, no?
I didn't get you, sir.
All of you are staying together or what?
So it's resounding, sir.
The whole family is staying together?
No, sir. Me and my husband are staying in Anantapur.
Okay.
He's dentist, sir.
Hmm.
He works at Singanmala, near place from Anantapur, in
Okay.
Singanmala Government Hospital.
Oh,
I have a boutique in Anantapur itself, sir.
good. Good business. So rich.
ప్రియూ వాయిస్ వస్తుందా సార్ దీని నాకు రావట్లేదు సరిగ్గా
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
I think it's her. Your sound system is echoing. It's not with anyone, right?
Yes.
Where is Nikesh now? What are you doing, Nikesh?
Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah.
I'm getting a response, sir. I'm not able to hear your voice properly.
Shagufta, I think you need to mute.
Yeah, I think Shagufta has to mute. Nikesh, where are you now?
Sir, I'm currently in
I
Hyderabad.
know that. Otherwise, where do you work? Which company? I'm asking.
I was actually I was working with media, sir. Metro India. It's an English daily newspaper initially.
Oh,
Yeah, I was working there as a sub-editor, sir.
Okay.
Later on, I worked with online media. It's a magazine called The Dollar Business. It's India's foreign trade magazine. Even
Okay.
today, it's one of the good foreign trade magazines, sir.
uh-huh.
After that, I moved on to this corporate field, sir, wherein I worked with a market research firm called Modern Intelligence. There, I was working as a content editor.
Okay. So both
So
the
that's why I
brothers are almost the same only.
Yes, sir. I am currently working as a content strategist, editor, and writer, sir, with a IT consulting firm.
Good.
Writing same kind of thing which Sharon said, sir, like blogs, technical write-ups, non-technical and technical ones both, sir. White papers, case studies, kind of.
Good. Soumya, Sai Soumya, your face needs light. Your light is behind. Either you have to turn or change the tube light.
No, sir. Actually, my sister's son is sleeping, so I just took him.
Okay. What are you doing, beta?
Currently, I'm working in Wipro, sir, Bangalore.
Wipro Bangalore. Okay.
Yes, sir. And now I came for the festival to the native.
Oh, otherwise your office is working physically, not work from home.
No, sir. Daily I'll go to office. In the lockdown also, we'll be office.
Charan, you remember we went to her house, no?
Yes, sir. We went to her house, sir.
We had chai.
Yeah, yes, sir. I remember, sir. It was near Priyanka's house only.
Yeah, we had dinner in Priyanka's house, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dinner we had in Priyanka's house. Afternoon we went to. Yes, sir. Evening we went for chai from your house.
So what
That was
else?
a packed schedule.
Eh?
That was a very packed schedule.
Yeah, you made it, all that. Venkataramana Reddy is there. I am not seeing him.
I think he left.
No, he is there.
The
Don't leave him.
he's back.
You are in shop or what? Venkataramana Reddy.
Yeah, I just came out for shopping for my wife.
Is it your shop or?
No. It is shopkeeper's shop. I just came for shopping.
Shangufta, just check, is it your shop? Some burglar.
No, sir. He's somewhere else.
Where are you? In Anandapur only, right?
Yes, sir. I just came to Anantapur in the afternoon. Actually, I am living in Bangalore. I am working as a senior data scientist in Balpabeti.
Okay.
I have been working as a software engineer from past 4.5 years.
Okay.
Okay, I recently switched my job to new company, that is Balpabeti. It is a UK's leading infrastructure company.
Okay.
And that is how I am moving.
So data science, what do you do? The logistics movement or something like that, or data warehousing?
Actually, in data science, we do, actually my part is a visualization. We use Power BI for visualization, and actually, as I mentioned earlier, we are working for a infrastructure company. Actually, we have to track the vehicle movement and the deliveries by using some map visualizations, and we have to perform some statistics to measure the, how the progress of work. This kind of things by using some visualizations actually.
Good.
Business intelligence.
Wonderful. You keep meeting sometime or you don't?
No, please come again, sir. I am not able to.
Charan, you keep meeting?
No, actually, we met long time ago.
It is the right time actually. This is the time where we can meet. So I am meeting all my 2008, 2009 students who were with me 8th class. All of them now become graduates, postgraduates, doing in London and all that. So all of them we met last week.
Great, nice.
What, Soumya, what do you say?
Correct, sir. But they have their own schedules and busy timings, so sometimes some people will be possible and sometimes some others will not be possible, right?
But try is possible, right?
Yes, sir, sure.
See, Charan gave Srinivas number. Immediately I called. I didn't see where the number, what time. So it was early morning, 3 o'clock. Because he is in Canada. But still he picked up call because he was driving. So he was talking to me almost 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
Yes, true.
Soumya got married?
No, sir.
Who did not get married, I should ask, not the other way, right? Nikesh
No,
also
sir.
married, no? Sai, your brother got married, Nikesh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, son.
Priyanka married.
Hello.
Uh,
Yes, sir. I am married, sir.
only Soumya is not married. Why all of you should try get her married no fast? She was the
just
one who
want to
wanted to get
enjoy
married
single
very
life.
fast.
I just want to enjoy single life still.
But she was ready on that day itself. When I met her, she said, I want to marry somebody.
No.
Yeah. Correct, no? Charan?
Sir, I cannot involve anything.
Yeah. Because Charan has
Sir,
to.
sir, I'm in contact with Charan, sir.
Eh?
I'm in contact with him, sir.
Okay, so that is why.
Yeah, I'm in contact with all these people, sir.
That is the problem. You cannot tell facts sometimes.
Yes, sir, most of the times.
Good, she is earning probably.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you all learned Kannada? Soumya, you learned Kannada?
Yes, sir. I can speak Kannada.
Okay.
I'll understand completely, but I can
Anyway,
speak little bit.
Anandapur is next door only, so no problem.
Yes, sir. Most people in Anantapur understand Kannada. Even when I was in Bangalore, within 6 months, I was able to pick up Kannada, sir. Like I was able to talk with people, converse with.
So what else?
Sir, how about you, sir?
I keep busy myself. Today morning also I had a session. We had somebody who was talking on learning disability. I pick up some new topics from somebody. Keep discussions. I had 2 sessions today. One in history of mathematics. Before that some learning disability. Now this is the third one.
All virtual sessions.
Virtual sessions. I am a professor now in KL University. So I teach mathematics there.
Oh, good.
I am teaching statistics, mathematics, something like that. That's only once in a while.
Guest lecture, sir.
No, I am a faculty there actually. I am a professor in KL University. But I don't have classes now. I just attend somebody's classes sometime. Maybe some induction training programs or something like that. I keep. Had few teachers programs. And every day there will be some more other session. So I think every day I am posting one video. Almost every day. Average 1 hour will be there.
Yes, sir. I saw the induction program video.
Yeah. That was in Kottayam maybe. The last
Kottayam,
one.
yes,
Last
sir.
one, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's a huge 800 children.
Yes, sir.
They had nearly 18 programs in graduation.
Okay. Here I saw the video on poetry, sir, actually. Nikesh do write songs, he writes songs for the movies.
That was when my students read my poems, somebody reads poems and then they wanted to discuss about it. So I make it as a program. So
Nikesh do write songs for movies.
good, yeah. Could discuss sometime.
Yes, sir.
You must send some poetry. Mine will be available. You can just search Dr. TPS poem. My website itself, I have put this poem. These are all. It's a beautifully designed one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, in the event I saw, sir.
Yeah, design is also beautiful.
Yes, sir. I think this design is not available in the one which in website, right, sir?
Maybe the latest must be there. In the same blog will be there. So the blog is linked to the website. So I'm sure it will be there. These are 100 poems and there is another one which is 27 poems. Life of Love.
Life of Love, yes, sir. We have it.
That was the old one, right? Yeah.
And then something else was there. I think when Priyanka came, this book was not there.
No, sir.
That whatever methodology I used for teaching civil service, that was made into a book.
Nice. These are your new releases, sir, right?
This may be
Poems.
Yeah, not that new, maybe some 3-4 years back. Yeah.
So
Soumya
they
is,
are available online.
all are available online. Nothing for sale. It's
Oh.
all free.
I have started my blog last year or 1.5 years ago, sir, where I write book reviews and general stuff which interests me because I've got this interest in reading and writing way back when I was in intermediate BTech slowly, but it pushed forward when I was after BTech, when I was starting civil service coaching and when we all had a gathering and all that.
And you also advertised as a teacher in some tuition center in that is still available there.
Me, sir?
You check.
Oh,
Contact your house address and all are there.
so good.
I keep looking at my children, all of you. What are you doing? Where are you? But most of them are not traceable. Because sometime I will be active in Facebook, then I will leave it. I will not be there for some time. Last year, this time I was in US. Maybe last year and before that, 2 years I was in US. So
I saw your program.
that time I had Bhagavad Gita. I finished teaching there. Some spiritual activities. There used to be a lot of satsang, Sunday satsang, lot of questions and answers, lot of drive, dialogue on drive, Sunday dialogue. So many programs I started.
So where in US, sir?
I was in Columbus, Indiana, close to Chicago.
Okay.
I mean, I traveled across. I went to Atlanta, I went to New York, Chicago. I was there in St. Louis. So,
So last year there was a book in Inadu Sunday special book. There was an article on you, sir. I sent the pic in Facebook, sir.
yeah, but no people contacted, right?
I sent pic and I also sent message, sir. I felt very happy. Actually, on that day I didn't see that.
To me.
Yes, sir, in Facebook.
No, Facebook I may not be looking at. That there are maybe 5-6 profiles. Some of them are not active. There were, I
Actually,
think that clicked a lot because before that it came in Indian Express.
Okay.
Indian Express, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kochi, Delhi, Bombay, many places. Then that fellow read that and then came and talked to me. That was this year, 2020 January.
Actually, my parents, my grandparents called me and said, sir, see, your sir's article came in Inadu. Actually, I don't read that paper. My father reads that paper. So he called me. He said that your sir's article came. So he sent me pic. Same pic I sent it to you, sir.
Okay. They gave a YouTube link. I think many people went and searched on YouTube, found my number. There were more than 600 people contacted in 30 days. But Indian Express, 4 editions, I think hardly 10 of them would have contacted. So I know the power of Inadu. Like that. Because Inadu Sunday supplement, I think many people look for such articles. And people do contact, that's what. There are a lot of people. From Anandapur itself, I had, I think, some 40-50 people were there. So I stored their number place-wise. That's why I store generally. So probably I have got 100 and odd people in Anandapur. Bangalore, huge. Telugu people all throughout the world, I think. Many places. From US also people contacted.
I felt very happy and excited on that day, seeing your articles.
I would have excited if you called me.
Sir, I sent message, sir. I'll send you screenshot. See
No,
that
you should.
message, sir. I was
It's
so
easy
excited.
to get it to me because you can just search Dr. TP Shashikumar on net. You will get my updated number in case if I am not on the old number, right?
Okay, sir.
And many people got through YouTube, went there, searched by number. That's how they contacted. So all of them. I think you can imagine more than 500, 600. And Malkajgiri house, there used to be at least 30 people coming every day those days. Just because of the Nadu.
Uh-huh. Yes.
It was a good article. They wrote well.
Okay.
The boy was good.
Sir,
Ah,
it was published in Jan this year.
January this year. Yeah. It's there in my, probably in my website or blog somewhere. Enadu Dr. TPS if you search. Who is that? Who is that, Samana?
Yeah, she is my daughter, sir.
Who are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
Hi, him.
Maybe after 10-15 years, people will think who is daughter, who is mother.
I think she doesn't talk to, strangers, sir, so
Yeah.
she.
So we will call every day.
Yeah.
So she sings songs very well.
Oh,
All devotional and also movie songs. Pretty well.
so she can close her eyes and then think only one person is there now. Priyanka is only there.
Sorry. Okay. You had it, yeah? Right up.
Yeah. Nikesh left, I think. He lost connection probably.
Yes, sir. In the village, we have full connectivity.
No rains in such places, no? Anandapur and all is safe? Soumya is only there in Anandapur
safe,
now.
very much safe, sir.
Yeah.
It's safe, sir.
No rain, yeah. I think Hyderabad, some places were too harsh.
Yes, sir. Near my colleague house is near Sarur Nagar Lake.
Yeah.
So it's completely in water, sir. Even now, it's in water. So they vacated the old house and, they're staying somewhere else.
So anything to say? Priyanka, Samana, Soumya.
Right.
Nothing, sir.
Tell me, Shagufta, I think you remember, no, those days?
Yes, sir. You came to my house now, sir, on that day.
That's what I'm saying. We had a big dinner, large dinner, not a big dinner.
Yes, sir.
Usually in Shagufta's house, it would be feast.
Yeah.
Sir, Priyanka is expecting.
Oh,
Yeah.
And
Yes,
she's
sir.
married to Sainath, sir. You know him very well.
yeah, Sainath was there when we went for a walk around and all that, he was there.
No, sir.
I think he came to the station, sir.
That's what,
Yeah,
somewhere, yeah.
Just once
Station.
he came, I guess, not much.
Yeah. Only once,
So when is the date, Priyanka?
Jan 27th,
It's okay, so 7th,
20.
6th month now, 6th or 7th month.
6 done, sir. 6 completed, 7 started.
Now onwards, the child will start listening whatever you speak.
Yeah.
7th month onwards, it's the right time to
Yes, sir.
teach.
Correct.
Read as many scriptures as possible.
Yes, sir. Currently, one book I have just kept with me, and I'm about to finish that. After that, I should start another one.
Soumya will marry only after hearing all experience from others.
I'm enjoying my life, sir. Let me.
Yeah. Don't divide and give. Selfish people don't divide. When you marry, your life has to be half. My best half is there. First half is here and all that will go. So, Soumya is too selfish. She don't want to give best half to somebody.
Not at all, sir.
Your
My
rece-
father is searching for proposals, but this Jatakas and all will see the stars and all those, no? So it's not matching, so it is getting delayed.
You send the Jatakas, I will make it matching and send it back.
Sure.
Like all acceptable group is there, no? You can change your date of birth and place of birth and all that. Time I can change and make it acceptable to everybody.
Thank you.
Or you tell whom do you want to marry, give his horoscope, I will give a matching horoscope. Charan. Who is at home, Charan?
Sir, my parents are there, sir.
Became old or young enough?
Who, sir? Me?
Parents. You are old,
I
that
mean-
is 100%.
No, my father is, he's always younger, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He's always younger, sir. He always says me I'm old.
He was in accounts, no? No.
No, sir. He was working as a driver in an NGO in Anantapur, sir. RDT.
No, before that. He was there only? For
Yes,
long.
sir. He was
Yeah.
there. He was working as a driver only, sir, in RDT.
So when are
He
you
underwent
going?
even
Oh.
surgery also, sir. Heart surgery also.
Oh,
In 2010, both mother and father actually. Mother with a different issue.
okay.
The uterus, there was a tumor in it. So both happened. Both operations happened in 1 month only, sir.
So fine. Now all fine, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Everyone is fine, sir. Everyone is good.
Good. Nice, all of you made it. Venkatramana
So
is
nice.
spending
Nice to see you also, sir.
spending money, I think.
I think he came to shopping with his wife, I guess. That's why
what
he is
he
occupied.
must be spending money, yeah.
Dasara.
Come home, sir, whenever you're in Chennai.
Chennai, I was there in Tiruvannamalai. I think that's the last January I was there in Tiruvannamalai for some time. From there coming back, my brother was in Chennai. So I went to his house from the airport and came. That's it. After that I didn't. Chennai I have, I think, a lot of people, earlier I used to come every now and then.
Okay.
But I think a long time. Soumya is not calling to Anandapur, you see.
They're always welcome, sir.
So probably
Always welcome,
we
sir.
can meet when we come to Hyderabad after this COVID.
COVID Anandaram, nobody knows. I only say, everybody ask, I say COVID Anandaram. There is no COVID Anandaram. We'll have to
I said.
live with this, I think.
Yeah, that's true. Right now, sort of everything is getting normalized with wearing of masks and everything.
This is why I think Westerners learned this trick of not meeting people. They don't. No, the population
True.
was. They don't greet anybody.
Isolation.
They don't talk to
Yeah.
anybody. They don't visit neighbors. They don't share food. All that is because of some pandemic like this at their place long back.
Yeah,
So
they are
we-
more prone. They are not less immune.
That may be the reason the church and all that, they have got a different place to sit. You have to sit separate and all that. No, India will have such a system probably. This is best method to learn discipline. Maybe a little harsh, but worth it probably.
Already, like a few of my colleagues, they went to Tirumala, sir. So they social distancing there, before it was like, people
Push.
basically there used to be no darshan. But now, it's like people are having peaceful darshan. Like monthly, twice people are going, sir. My colleagues.
Now Shabarimala is open like that only. I think 200 people
Yes,
or
sir.
250 people.
Yes, sir.
You have
Yes,
to
sir.
book in advance and then go and all that.
So this is your new number which you have shared.
That's
I
my
mean, like some YouTube link, I got it.
yeah 944-7437-948. That's my number. I expect you to send some message and then keep in contact.
Sure, sir. I'll just send an invitation. My sister got marriage got fixed. This November 12th is her marriage.
Oh,
I'll send you an invitation.
what should I do? I'll come there.
Yeah,
Now
for
probably
sure.
people will have marriages on online also. Google Meet marriage.
Virtual marriage.
We had one of my son's friend got married in Bombay, so they kept the laptop and they were doing namaskaram to that because parents' photo was there live. And parents did like this on internet. Internet blessings. Your younger sister or elder sister, Soumya? Cousin?
Elder sisters. Elder sister.
Cousin or direct?
No, own sister.
Okay.
Own sister.
She was there in that house that day?
Yeah, she's there.
Anything more, Charan?
Nothing, sir. I'm going through your YouTube videos. I'm just in learning mode. That's it. Yeah, I'm in touch with all these people, sir. So if I do anything, I do share with them. Like if any write-up or something, I do share.
I think Samana, Priyanka and all were there when we met on your rooftop also, right? Whose house we
Yes,
met
sir.
once? Your
Yes,
house
sir.
or?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There used to be classes, just casual classes on all these discussions and all things.
We used to meet, sir, regularly. Like when I was in Anantapur. So
Yeah,
before even our
Charanana's
event,
roof, Charanana's terrace.
Yeah, terrace. I remember we also met there once, no? Once or twice.
Yes, sir.
we met, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Charan looked after me so well, no, those days.
No, he's not looking up to you.
Eh?
I always stay as a student, sir, to you. That's it.
I think it's almost 1 year we worked very close together, right?
Yes, sir. No, almost 2 years, sir.
2010 to 2011, I think that's it.
No, sir. In 2009 only I met you, sir. In 2009 in Ramakrishna Math I met you.
Yeah, 2009. But then our program started in 2010 January.
Sir, actually in 2009 we arranged one program in Polarity High School, sir.
That was in 2009, end November.
Yes, sir. November. Actually, that was the first program I did.
2009 November, I remember.
Yes.
That was
That
first,
was a fantastic program, sir.
first November.
Man, I didn't had any experience, and it was like it came very well. Sir. Actually, I combined two schools, sir, like three different schools, and I got students. So they were having some ego clashes. All these three.
Yeah, I know.
schools,
You shared all the problems, and then they all met in the pharmacy college.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. Polarity Pharmacy College. Yes. So it was good.
And all our Anantapur programs were also good, no? Intel,
Yes, sir.
Anantalakshmi, and we went to one of those schools, you remember?
Yes, sir.
we
Gayatri
had-
High School, sir.
Yeah, that's
It's, there they made some Chandrayaan model or sort of thing. Students. And notable program is the Arts College, the junior college where we gathered all local students coming from villages and all. That day it was a ABVP Bandh, sir.
Yeah, that was huge. Without a break, we went
3,400.
largest. 3,400 children, right?
Yes, sir. At that time, these people were having exams, sir, actually. Nikesh, the students were having exams. So I got even correct during that time, sir. From ABVP, NSBI, getting that, how can you organize? We'll see your end.
It was a huge group, probably one of the largest sessions I had.
I mean, actually, we took the.
But we didn't add any record of that. Though there was recording, I didn't get any digital data of that.
Even I didn't have, sir. Actually, what happened was there was some problem with the camera guy. We had a recording, sir, actually. But some issues, that guy closed the, his business and everything is lost. All of a sudden he disappeared. So I just tried to get glimpses of it, but that was a very big program. Sir.
That was a huge.
Even I didn't imagine, because I didn't expect that people will understand English so well. They all are from villages. Sir.
And my Telugu was also not good, but still I made all of them to translate whatever I spoke, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, even the principal told me, whether people will understand. I said, no. Let me try, whatever we want to try, let us try. There is no loss. We don't take money from you. I'll take care of it. You don't worry. The share autos, like college, the ground was full of share autos. Seeing that, ABUP people got feared, that, this guy can do something here with us now. Telling that, these many share autos are there, these many students, but they got feared that, the left side.
No, you are good. You are a good organizer. Otherwise, it's not that simple, actually.
But that time we had only 2 volunteers.
That was in March, no? Probably. January,
January, sir. Around January.
Yeah. We were preparing them for the 10th class examination.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How to face exam was that?
One student from that college, he did his graduation in IASC Trivandrum, sir.
Oh, IAST.
Because you told, sir, actually.
Yeah. Good.
So, later I lost his connection, but I'm just trying to connect back, sir. But there were many students, who did really well, sir. And we have examples here too with us.
Today there was a talk actually on history of mathematics. It was not my talk. Some other lecturer was going, somebody gave me an invitation, so I just joined. At the end, they wanted me to give a comment. When I was commenting, he was a history teacher. The history teacher was telling, I taught him sometime. So he was my student. He is actually a professor of history now. He was talking on Kerala mathematics. So the teaching is such a profession. When you go, you feel and keep meeting lakhs of people, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Maybe last continuously 2006, 7, 8, 9 and all that I was going to Northeast.
Yes, sir.
And Northeast I used to have large camp, like 1,200 children, 3 days, 4 days camp. That was called the Prajotayat, Enlightenment Camp. And I don't know how many of you have seen that Mary Kom movie.
Yes, sir, I saw that movie.
And the students are such thrilling children. They get the power and thrill, they will do anything. And we see today that they are spread all across India because Northeast education is less. So we see somebody in Bangalore, somebody in different parts of the country, they all go for higher education.
Yes, sir.
A lot of children. Planning to meet very soon sometime.
I think Harimpur, right, sir? You went to Harimpur, I guess.
That is NIT Hamirpur.
Hamirpur, yes, sir.
That was only, that is in the north. This regularly used to go to Vivekananda Kendra institutions in Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, before COVID, I went to Ramakrishna Math also.
Okay. No, I have no contact with this Math now. Anyway, earlier also I never went anywhere without invitation. Only when somebody calls I go, that's it. So I think that last the Swamijis who were in contact, and I left Hyderabad for some time to Kerala, so I lost that contact. No change for Samana. I think same ditto, right? Soumya
No,
also
sir.
no change.
Okay.
Second, Shagufta has become a lady now. Right?
Also no change, sir.
Priyanka put up a lot of weight. I think you became fat. That's natural anyway during this time.
Little, sir. Just some 7 kgs for these all months.
Natural.
So you didn't change, sir. You look the same.
What shall I do? I was old. Even now I am old. That's it.
Oh, you are same. You look same.
So nice to see you all growing. Great. Do well.
Sure, sir. And it's been very nice seeing you after many years.
Yes, it's really nice to
But for you, I can recognize. But the last 1 month back, I had children when they were 8th class. They were with me. Now they finished their PG. So unrecognizable, most of them. No, not most of them. All of them. I couldn't recognize any one of them. But then those life was. We had only little interaction. But those children, I took them to Goa. We had picnic together. It's a different life. Okay then, Charan.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone for joining.
Thank you for getting all of them.
I should thank them, sir, actually, because
Thank
they
you,
responded
Charan.
back.
Good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon.
Sir, come for my sister marriage on November 12th. I'll send you an invitation as well.
Yeah, invitation is welcome. I missed even Charan's marriage.
Yes, it happened in a very accidental way. Sir. It was.
Sir, he didn't send me an invitation also, sir.
Who?
He didn't give me invitation for his marriage also, sir, Charan.
Yeah, you must.
Charan and I did not invite me at all for the marriage, sir.
Some close people they don't invite. You have to be there.
Sir, at least we have to know when he's getting married. No,
That
sir.
you should keep on asking every day.
It was really an accident, sir.
What was accidental marriage?
Usually people say marriage is an accident, but in an accident, marriage happens.
Anna Bobby will listen again. She'll have fight with you.
I mean, I don't. Now, no chance, no problem.
That must have been over, right? All that fight.
Yes, sir. Everything is settled now. Like now, it's a silent sea. They say that.
Sir, nice talking to you. You're looking as same as before. No change at all.
Yeah, but
How are you maintaining like that?
that time
Secret, please.
when I came also I had trimmed, I think. Yeah. Otherwise, sometime I grow my hair too large.
What is the secret, sir? You're maintaining same.
Good metabolism. That's probably a lot of water. Drink a lot of water.
Sure, sir.
That is what is to be done to take care of health.
Sure, sir.
I had some plan for agriculture, Charan.
Yes, sir.
I was looking at probably give a taste of farm. And there are a lot of people wanted to do in farming, but the coordination is not happening. Production is too large. If you look at Anandapur, India, I am sure pomegranate and all is being produced large quantity there.
Yes, sir.
But then they are not making money because they don't do the logistics is not supported.
True, sir. True, sir.
So what happens is the middleman will make money, or maybe somebody else makes money. They make it into juice, and then that juice company will make money.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
True, sir.
And public is not getting the real good food to eat. People are not making money also.
True, sir. True, sir.
So I think there has to be some trial of what can be done, re-looking at it and all that, right?
Yes, sir. True, sir.
So this is where the concern which I had and which I was sharing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even actually, I was, I had a couple of friends, who are doing some natural farming and all. So I had a discussion with them too on this actually.
It is not profitable, but it is a service to society, a service to the people.
True, sir. True. Actually, I'm Bharat's friend, Bhagavathan friend is there. He's doing natural farming. So I had a talk with him. So, he told that, like I'm just growing, it's not for profit. It's only like, I just want to do it, that's it. Because natural farming, I will not get profit. That's anyway assured. But, that's how we trying the land,
But the organic, not the zero budgeting, that tradition which somebody is telling, it is more of organic natural farming with little investment, not too much of chemical fertilizer, but natural fertilizer.
Yes.
Then I think if the proper investigation of the mud is done, that has to be scientific and proper agricultural method used. But then
Yes.
substitute can be non-chemical.
Yes, sir.
That is where they are not able to make good product because they don't do the analysis.
True, sir.
So it has to be bridged properly, and then most important is how to market it.
Yes, sir.
That is where I think a lot of effort has to.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine?
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thanks for that.
Take care, sir.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Take care, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.